Hello Yusuf, it's the rep here at Fast Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Ford Transit. Here is the mileage, 196,000 kilometers. It's in really nice shape. We use it for motorcycles to move. Look at the tires, they are literally like brand new. The LED lights are upgraded too. That's how it looks inside. We don't take any heavy load. It's just a one bike inside, and then it's a lot of job done. It's aluminum floor, and then this wall as well. It's a turbo, and comes fully certified. For the price it's advertised there. Yeah, it does not come with a motorcycle choke and the ramp. The rest you'll get everything here. All the four tires are matching, and it has a full service history from the previous owner. So if you have any questions, please call me back at 915-660-2901 extension 212. I'll be more than happy to assist you. It has an aftermarket lane assisting and the collision prevention, and has a backup camera as well. Thank you.